This is the Benimar T483. It's 659 centimeters long. It costs 72,270, and it is, as I recall, 230 centimeters in width. So it's a bit of a dining area on wheels, you might like to say. Forward base at the front, and at the back we have got two burners, we've got a sink, we've got storage under the kitchen. And as I come to the back, I think it's a very good layout. Roller Team did it a few years ago, and of course Benimar and Roller Team probably made in the same factory anyway. Huge amount of storage up here, absolutely enormous amount of storage here. And we've also got this bed at the back, and so now this bed will also come out. We've got access because it's in the garage. So what you could do is you could take the bed out completely and use the garage for other things, such as a bicycle, for example. This also closes via this here. So there's some good points. Also here we've got a fridge. There's the freezer. You've got a place for bottles to stand up. We've got some storage here. Oh, does this open? Yes, it does. And here we've got, there's the toilet, there's the sink, there is the shower, there's the skylight, and we've also got some more storage down here. I think that's really good. Right, so we've got a bed here. The bed is above the living area, but before we do that, we're going to check what the situation is with the headroom. There's me. Oh, look at that. That's okay. It's 175 for me. You can be taller than me, you'll be all right. Large window here, and a bit of a smaller one here, which actually is sort of goes open a little bit like that. Pocket up here for keeping things. Right, let's see if this works. This is the bed, so I'm going to press the button, maybe it'll come down. Right, so it often stops at halfway as a safety feature, but because that's there and I didn't remove it, I'm not going to take it any further, just to demonstrate it will go further. Oh, that's it in any case, sorry. Right, on the bed we've got a ladder, which is handy for getting in it for those who are unable to pull themselves up that distance. Under the bed we will find that there is a net or nets, and these nets have buckles on them, and the buckles go to the eyelids up there, and that's to stop you falling out of bed, which might be useful when you come back sloshed. Also, you got a television here, which is quite well positioned for watching in bed, although it might be a little on the high side if you're watching it from the driver's and passenger's seats. It might be, I don't know, I'm just sort of guessing. One of the features of this bed is that you can sort of sleep in it in just about any position, although quite honest, there's not a lot of positions under this. But to make the point also, can you actually sit under the bed? Let's give that a try. There's me under the bed, and well, actually it's like sitting in a car, to be quite honest. It's not too bad. You could just about manage it, but I think I'd like a little bit more headroom. Oh, sorry, I forget where the camera is when I point it there forward. Okay, so let's now put this back up. So press the button and watch it going up. Good. Okay, so that was a nice, quite a smooth carriage going upwards. Let's have a look around the outside, see what we'll find out there. This solution, you know, I think for people might be using long-term use, that really is pretty, that's pretty good. Not too big. Right, so the door's got a window in it, it's got a bin, keep the dog's lead in there. Let's see if we can open this. And this. Oh, I can't open it anymore. Let's try again. Oh, it's locked. What a pity. Ah, no, it's locked. It's locked at the top. It's locked here. Somebody's locked it. Anyway, it doesn't matter. We'll have to pretend that we know. This is how you can see how long it is. I'll take you around the side here. Let's go around that way. See what happens around there. I quite like this slit window as well. So if you're sleeping in the back, you can keep an eye on what's going on outside, and if you're driving back, you can keep an eye on what's going on outside by putting the reverse gear in. You can see from the reversing camera. 165 horsepower, 5-year guarantees for €999. Here's the Pack Plus, which they're offering free of charge. Includes a solar panel, amongst many other things. You can't really have one of these without a solar panel, but then again, if you're only going to campsites, then you don't really need solar. That opens. Is this open? Oh, that's open. Ah, and that's open. Good. Okay, right. So I'm in the rear now, and as you can see, that will actually open much further than this side. Let's have a look under here. Got all that storage there, and if you took this out, see, that'll come out, no problem there. All this will come out, so you can easily get a bike in here. I think the storage above is quite magnificent. Yeah, I quite like this van. Let's close this. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go back in the van. I don't normally do this, but I just want to demonstrate this again from the inside. The amount of storage that it can offer. I mean, to see it again from up here, all of this space, this wardrobe, what you can actually store in here if you're traveling for such a long time. It's also what I would term a clean area. It's like the garage can sometimes get a bit dirty with other things, taking outdoor things in, but this is inside, so that I find really positive. Also, I think it's more natural to sort of lift and take things down rather than sort of bend and take things up. So I really think that's great use of space in the vehicle. Which comes from a relatively economic motorhome. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it interesting. I upload every day at 21:15 and on most days 1800 hours as well. 21:15 I show a longer video such as this one. At 1800 hours it's a short video, usually up to only up to 3 minutes. I can't put over 3 minutes because I'm doing it in portrait format. Although at times I might even upload more videos. Obviously I'm now at caravan salon, so I'm uploading stuff more frequently with news of what is happening on this market, and of course opinions, my opinion anyway. Bye for now.